That's my next step. My next vacation.
Oh, it's a quick set. So that's the next step?
Yeah, I want to go to Jamaica.
Alright, let me see. You got a high security lock. They call it smart lock.
You won't damage the door now.
Nah. Nope. Non-destructive. Non-destructive, man.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, hold on.
My husband takes care of me.
Alright, no problem. Yeah, it's always non-destructive, you know?
How you want to